Hi everyone, I'm Lizzy from Lizzy Loves Food. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan bechamel sauce. Let's get started and I'll show you how easy it is to put a meal together for during the week.
Before we get started, let me introduce you to a portable stovetop with 2 burners, all digital, very easy to use. It is lightweight, perfect for the holiday gift wrapping season, and it is made by Amzchefs. The first thing you need to do is unlock it. The fan will go on. Then you can adjust the temperature, set the clock, adjust it for the time you'd like, and you're all set. Now let's get started with our bechamel vegan sauce.
Here is my packaged raviolis. You can basically use any type of raviolis you want, but these have a little butterscotch. And these are the ones that we're going to be using today. So I am just going to drop them in here. My beautiful raviolis with almond flour. All right, we're going to let this warm up a little bit. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm going to let this warm up a little bit. Then I am going to add my flour. As you can see, it's starting to cook. I'm going to lower this a little bit because we don't want anything to burn, especially flour. And I'm going to start mixing and I like to add my milk in slowly, well, my vegan milk, of course. And this is cashew milk that I'm using. I'm going to add a little salt. And I am going to add 2 tablespoons of B12 yeast. It's going to give it like a cheesy flavor. And you mix that all in. And as you can see, this is done. Nice and creamy, light, nice thick consistency. Now I'm going to toast my almonds. Oops. Now I'm going to toast my walnuts. Now I'm going to toast my walnuts.
Now I'm going to toast my nuts.
There you have it, Jeffrey. Let's check on our raviolis. And they look like they're done. So let's start plating. And here we are. Finished product with our little bechamel sauce. And we just pour it on top.